So there's a lot of ways to define this phrase, don't know or don't know mind. One way we talk about it, one phrase we use with don't know is don't know is true self. It already is it. What we know, what we think, what we believe, what we assume, what we want, what we need, is all placed on top of what already is there. It's as if what's already here isn't enough. The mountain is already here. We like it, we don't like it, we have opinions about it, we have desires to get to the top, we have fears around it, but the mountain is the mountain. The mountain is our true self. Even to call it a mountain makes it separate. Before thinking, before explanation, before I put something on it, true nature already appears. Sometimes we say, the truth is just like this. We humans, it's not bad. We have no choice. But we're constantly mucking it up. We're constantly adding something to it. We're constantly trying to make it fit our own particularity. And sometimes it's important to just let it be as it is. So, one way we live this not knowing is, as I was saying again when I was introducing Kwanzaa Muscle chanting, hearing the cries of the world. A lot of what Marshall was talking about, whether it's management or direct service, is listening. You don't really have to know if you're a good listener. If you're a good listener, the situation, the person, the event will tell you what you need to know. So much of our practice is about, Marshall used the phrase, putting it down. It's letting go of all of our ideas and beliefs. We're so driven by our thoughts and our feelings. We believe that our thoughts and our feelings are us. It's very difficult to separate out what is it before thoughts and feelings. Our teacher, Zen Master Bon Soeng, he studied philosophy before he studied Buddhism in Korea. And he was taken with the phrase all of us know. Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. Well, Zen Master Bon Soeng said, if I don't think, then what? And that's where we meet. That's where Zen opens up. If I don't think, then what? Don't know is true nature. Before thinking, before adding something,